Now, the drama surrounding the fate of the Akasha brothers may have come to an end after the youngest of the siblings, Ibrahim Akasha, was sentenced to 23 years in prison by an American court. Ibrahim was handed the sentence by the New York court in what may mark the end of the reign of the once powerful drug-dealing family that prosecutors say inflicted terror not just in Kenya but globally as well. His sentencing follows that of his brother, Ibrahim Akasha, who was handed a 25-year jail term by the same court in August last year.
After close to 3 years in detention in the United States, the last of the once powerful drug family of the Akashas, Ibrahim Akasha, had his fate sealed. The confessed drug trafficker was handed a 23-year prison term by the New York court for his drug crimes both in Kenya, the United States, and in other jurisdictions. The sentencing brings to an end the pursuit to bring members of the drug-dealing family to book, as authorities believe they were at the center of a global network of drug traffickers. Ibrahim and his brother Ibrahim Akasha had pleaded guilty to charges of conspiring to ship 99 kilograms of heroin into the United States in October 2018. The two were nabbed by U.S. authorities after trailing them for about 8 months, a period in which U.S. undercover narcotics agents posing as Colombian drug dealers taped their conversations with the brothers and their accomplices. Baktash had been sentenced to 25 years in prison by the same court in August last year. The Akashas had pleaded guilty more than a year ago, likely because the prosecution had assembled a seemingly irrefutable case against them. In addition to audio recordings, the prosecution presented videotapes of face-to-face meetings involving members of the Akasha group and the disguised U.S. agents. Among the crimes to which the Akashas confessed to was obstruction of justice, involving bribes the brothers had paid to Kenyan judges, prosecutors, police officers, and politicians in an attempt to prevent their extradition to the United States. This leaves questions over the Kenyan officials who are part of the illicit trade and why the Kenyan government appears not to have made much progress in bringing justice.